If you are into tech, AI, coding, and you call yourself a programmer, there is one competition you genuinely cannot afford to not know about. It's called ICPC, and if you haven't heard of it, stick with me for the next few minutes because this could shape the way you think about your coding journey. ICPC stands for International Collegiate Programming Contest. It's the most prestigious exam and people often call it the Olympics of programming. If you want to know that where you stand as a coder, then this is a real test for you. Here is the first thing you need to know. This isn't solo. You compete in a team of 3 students. The mixing of institutions are not allowed here. Along with your team, you need one faculty coordinator supporting you. Now here is the part that throws people off. You get 5 hours and the 3 teammates just share a single computer. And that single computer, that's it. 3 brains and 1 single machine. So if you are going in, you better know that how to divide your work and communicate in better way. In those 5 hours, you are handed somewhere around 10 to 14 problems that are math heavy and highly algorithmic. The languages that are being supported by ICPC teams can include C++, Java or other supported languages. So how does someone go from a college coding lab to the world stage? It's a 5-step climb. Step 1. You form team and register. Step 2. The online preliminary round. This is the first filter round. Step 3. Clear that and you move to the on-site regionals held at centers like Amritapuri, Chennai or Kanpur. Step 4. Perform well at regionals and you advance to Asia West Championship. Step 5. The top teams from Asia West earn a spot at ICPC World Finals. So yes, it's a long road, but every step matters in itself.